What's going on, TF gang? It's your boy TitanicFeetJack back at you again with another video. Before we get into today's shoe, I'd like to send a shout out to the new subscribers of the TF gang. It was good with y'all. Let me know how y'all doing in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from. Now we getting into today's shoe. You may recognize the box. Look at the box. It's a beautiful box. It's different. A little late with this video, so bear with me. Got the red Jumpman on top, white with the cement. Let's go ahead and read the label. It says Air Jordan 3 Retro SE, color white, fire red, and black. Size 11.5, price $200 US. Let's go ahead and get these out of the box. You see you have that cement paper. This is something that Jordan has been doing this year. It was 2020, they're having the cement paper. This looks pretty good. It's glossy on one side. You can see it's like matte on the other. You also have your other white tissue paper in here. And voila, fire red denim 3's. Oh, first thing I notice on here is how soft the leather is. OMG. Okay, guys, we're gonna get the other sneaker out of the box and begin the review. Okay, guys, getting into the shoe. The leather on the upper is so tumbled, is so soft. I can't believe how soft this leather is on the upper. The leather is even tumbled on your mud guard. Oh my goodness. And of course, the talk of the town was the cement on the heel and toe. The cement on the heel and toe this time is not leather, it is a denim material. Trying to give you a closer look. The material is actually denim at the heel and toe. And looking at your midsole, you got that black strip going around the heel, and there's a white midsole, clear windows, and you have your you got white air unit system on the inside. And look at your outsole. You got all white outsole. You got red Nike on here, and you got your black up here on your ball areas or your ball of your feet. Or looking at the heel of the shoe, this is something else different with these. You have a translucent tab on the back with the Jordan Jumpman. Try to give you a closer look where you can see the Jordan Jumpman is translucent on top of the heel tab. And you also have air in red lettering. Now underneath the heel tab, you have Nike, in red. And to top it all off, you have that fire red on the heel. Looking at the inside of the sneaker, you have more of that tumbled leather. Oh, I wish you guys could feel this leather. If you have a pair of these, comment below. Let me know, what do you think of the leather? Or the leather on yours, this tumbled? Let me know in the comment section. Like I said, it's tumbled up here on your upper and right here on your mud guards. You have that white midsole and that strip of black coming from the other side, going around your air housing, white clear windows. And let's go ahead and look at your toe box. You can almost see on camera how tumbled the toe box leather is. It's very tumbled. And another look at that denim on your heel. It's look pretty low cut on this pair, the cement part. You got a white leather tongue going all the way up with the red Jordan Jumpman stitched on. You got white laces. This is the only pair of laces it came with. You got your red eyelids down at the bottom, your white in the middle, and you have black up top. And you see right here, you have that hit of denim as well. Go ahead and look at your sizing tag. It says size 11.5. And production date, April 1st of 2020 through June 18th, 2020. Wow, so they stopped production a couple days after my birthday. So He got about 2.5 months of production on these. Let's go ahead and look on the inside. Going to get this cardboard shoe tree out. See it's size 11, 11.5. The recycle logo on here, Jordan Jumpman. Let's go ahead and sit this here. Go ahead and get these laces out of the way. Get a good look at the inside. You have a white insert with the red Nike Air in there. And you have your sizing tag, size 11.5. And also you have a black sock liner. It's nice and smooth, kind of silky, guys. Comment below, let me know what you think of these. Me personally, I think the leather on them is A1. It's very nice and tumble. It's a nice sneaker, but I had to take a hard pass on these. A couple friends of mine was, you know, we were chatting about these and they were telling me they were still available in my size, but I neglected to get these. You know, I had to make a hard decision and pass on because I'm, you know, I got a lot of 3's, and add these to the collection is, I don't want to compare it to another 3, but these are missing a little something for me on that midsole and your outsole. It's just a little too much white for me. I wish they would have added another color, like some red or something down there. That really would have set them off to me. Comment below, let me know what you think of these. I'm looking forward to those biohacks was coming out this Friday. I'm really going for those. Those, when the pictures first leaked, people were saying they wasn't feeling them. Now they're starting to see the reviews because early pairs have reached hands, and oh my gosh, everybody want a pair of biohacks. So the demand is very high. So make sure you're into your raffles for these. Make sure you got everything locked and loaded for Friday because these biohacks will be a problem. Comment below, guys. Let me know what you think of this Air Jordan Retro 3 fire red with the denim at the heel and the toe. The box is fire as well, but let me know, did you comment? I'm sorry, did you cop these or did you pass? Let me know what the release was like in your city because I'm starting to see around the country there are pairs of these still sitting in the stores. And there were also a couple of restocks, so I don't know. I'm just gonna pass on these for now and on to the next release, which is the biohacks for me. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And this is TitanicFeetJack signing out. Go ahead and check out this footage as I exit the room.